Hey y'all, it's Sekoya. Welcome to my channel. Today I am waxing my eyebrows and I'm going to be using soft wax, which does require muslin strips. So I have a whole roll. The link is in the description box. I'm also going to be using the wax because in order to wax, you need wax. Yes. The link for this is in the description box as well. It's the GG wax. What I'm first going to do is brush my eyebrows up because I'm going to start at the bottom with applying the wax and ripping it off. So I don't want any hair in the way when I do this. I want it to be as clean and seamless as possible. After I brush it, first you want to test the wax. Don't just apply this to your face because you will burn your skin. I didn't show this part, but you definitely want to test the wax on your inner wrist, okay? If the wax is okay for your wrist, it should be okay for your face. So I'm applying with very skinny wood sticks, and then I cut a few pieces of muslin strips and I am now pressing in the direction of the hair growth. Press as hard as possible. You don't want to apply the wax too thick. You don't want to apply it too thick because all of your eyebrows will come off and you don't want that. Apply it where you think it's gonna go. Rip it off as fast as you can, and there is my hair on the muslin strip. After I do the bottom, I'll go right in and apply the wax on my top portion of the brow to get that clean as well. Again, do not apply this wax too thick because as you press the wax will spread a little bit. So try to apply just a little bit above where you want the line to be super clean, and that is exactly what I'm doing. I got these wood sticks from my nail supply warehouse that I go to for nails, but they also sell wax and wax utensils as well. So I'll leave that information in the description box because you do have to have a license to go where I went to get them, but you want to make sure that you have skinny sticks for the eyebrow area. After that, again, apply the muslin strip and press as hard as you can without hurting yourself in the direction of the hair growth. When you pull it off, you're going to pull it in the opposite direction of hair growth. And there's my top portion. Okay, so for this eyebrow, obviously, I already started waxing, or I already started applying the wax. But then I remembered, girl, you gotta brush your eyebrows up, okay? So that's what I was just doing. I'm going to apply more wax. If you mess up and you do apply wax, you can definitely get some coconut oil just to remove it and then start over again. But you will have to wash the area if you do apply oil because wax is not gonna pull off hair that has oil on it. So my face is washed with that being said. Apply the muslin strip, press in the direction of hair growth, pull off. That looks so much better already. For the next part, something happened to my camera, so I didn't get me applying the wax on the top, but this is the top portion that I just ripped off. Alright, so now I am going to wax my very thin unibrow. You can't really tell, but you can definitely tell in person, and when I try to apply makeup and do my eyebrows, like, you can really tell that there's some peach fuzz there. So if yours is thicker, then you will definitely be able to tell the difference. So I basically apply going straight up because I want my brows to have that rectangular look. So, you know, you want that box look kind of, you know what I'm saying? But it's still faded. So I apply the wax all at one time right here in this section, and then I'll do one half of that and then go back to the other half. And here we are. I'm using the same muslin strip, but only a part that does not have wax. And this part does hurt a little bit, but you know, I'm a G, so it's all good. So right there, I was just using a clean muslin strip to get any excess wax I may have had on the bridge of my nose and in between my brows, and you know, just get the extra wax. Now I'm using the coconut oil 100% and a cotton round just to get the excess wax off if the muslin strip did not get that. You always want to get your wax off with a wax remover or oil. And I found that coconut oil worked. You know, I just, it's natural and I like it. So I always use coconut oil whenever I'm waxing any part of my body. And since I'm waxing my face, instead of what I did in the last video, check that out, I washed my face instead of using wipes because I needed to wash the oil off anyway. So at this point, I am brushing my eyebrows up again just to see if there are any areas that I may need to cut with the scissors or the shears to make sure that no hairs are out of place. I don't really cut the ends of my brows because I noticed that it looks like I have gaps in between my brows, so I just kind of brush the ends of my brows downward since my brows aren't really that thick anyway. But for the front, I brushed that all the way up, and I'll just cut that off if I needed to, but I didn't need to that day. Also, if there are any areas that you may have missed with the wax, you can always go in with tweezers and tweeze them. I actually used to tweeze all of my eyebrows instead of wax once upon a time. But after that, I am done. This is the finished look. Like I said, I don't have a lot of brows, but you can definitely tell the difference of where they were to where they came to. So thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also share this video if you think it will help others. Peace out.